like those low-down scoundrels on Wall Street, talking about greed is good. Now, family members and listeners alike, I need for you to come up on an unconventional level. I need for you to obtain and maintain the appropriate chakra level because I need for you to think unconventionally to grasp what I'm about to say. You see, when people are looking at the pharmaceutical sector at this particular time, everybody's focusing on the companies that are in the race to develop the vaccine for COVID-19. And yours truly has given you positions that are indeed in the heat of that race. And we've been monetizing those positions. But now I need for you to look and see what others fail to see at this particular time. They may see it later, eventually, but we can monetize this situation in the meantime, in between time. Talking about monetizing their failure to see. Now, it's very easy to miss the forest for the trees in a market like this, especially when it comes to pharmaceutical stocks. Now, what I mean is that in some sectors, there are great stocks that get overlooked because a few of them are working on event-driven issues, while others are creating long-term solutions to major problems. This is especially the case. This is especially true in the pharmaceutical and biotech space right now. Now, maybe it's because the Kentucky Derby was postponed, but people are betting on pharmaceutical companies discovering a vaccine to COVID-19 like it's the only horse race in town or out there. But the fact of the matter is, there's a whole racing season, and betting on one horse in one race is successful investing. And neither is betting on pharmaceutical stocks for one vaccine, one medicine. Now, overall, there are plenty of massive successful drugs. However, there are blockbusters because they can be used for a variety of ailments. Or the top companies have a strong pipeline of drugs that address issues that are important to a large number of people. Now, I'm going to give you 7. Write them down. We're going to go over them. I'm going to give you 7. 7 of the best pharmaceutical stocks beyond the COVID-19 chase that are great companies that will score big wins for many years to come and get you, me, we, the beloved Asperger's family, P.A.I.D. Now, the first company is United Therapeutics. United Therapeutics, UTHR. UTHR. Now, this company was established back in 1992. Okay? It's that allows with for another device. Now, UTHR also has a robust program for growing organs, with about lungs and kidneys and hearts, and it has a number of drugs in trial for its pH-related diseases as well as brain cancer. And many of these devices and drugs will have other uses for patients that have challenges from pulmonary situations. Now, UTHR stock is up 53%. I said it's up 53% in the past 12 months. Family members, UTHR, a pharmaceutical company, will not be in the rat race. No Nordisk, symbol NDO. That was more than 30 years ago. NDO. Even now, quickly being is noted that NDO is in treatment of an now, NDO, and this day my business supposed to be where the food industry remains significant. NDO, they're very smart. They also focus on obesity as well as biopharmaceuticals for hormone replacement therapy, growth hormone therapy, and hemophilia. Now, these aren't sexy faces, I know that, but they are enormous, and NDO is well established, the P.A.I.D, continually. Now, at the end of the day, the stock is up 38% in the past year, and this company is getting P.A.I.D. Family members, Novo Nordisk, symbol NVO. This company is Dr. Reddy's voice, symbol RDY. And Dr. Reddy launched his generic pharmaceutical company. All these could have exist in the power market cap is lower than the last, and that market cap is based off real revenue, not hope for drug trials. Now, given its East Indian roots, it doesn't get a lot of play here in the USA, but that can be an advantage since it keeps away a lot of the dumb money that investors pass around in the markets, like we're in. As a portfolio of medicine, as its own oncology medicine, and as ABV. Now, more than ABV revenue every year comes from its blockbuster drug, Humira. It has made money in the past 2 years. It also has has been marked up 40% in the past 12 months. It still yields a 4.8% yield and is trading at a P.E. far below market averages. Yes, family members, this is a darling. AbbVie, symbol ABBV. Next position I'm sure you heard of is one of the big boys, one of the tried new pharmaceutical companies, Eli Lilly. Eli Lilly history. It's LLY, talking about that Eli Lilly and company goes back to 1876. 1876. This is a vaccine. You'll see. It was in development insulation. It means all those contract collaborations like LLY is a leader in the market. And it maintains being a leader in market area. It has winners. Portfolio. That's most important. $19 billion sales, followed by Humalog, which had sales of revenue in 2009 was around $22 billion. How does it make up again? I was right. Eli Lilly and Company is up 53% in the past 12 months. And it's like 85% valuation, which makes it. Next one we view is Zoetis, symbol ZTS, Zoetis, symbol ZTS. Now, we have all been and he put up a guy that was really as late as they were just up around the world. So you remember, don't you? That's my food. That is the largest consumer. So that's the deal. A huge impact on and all Jewish subsidiaries. Now, ZTS is an animal health firm, and it was for flu. After the flood began, people. That'd be like Z line and that hold the gains in both industries. Now, ZTS is up 20% in the past year. So, symbol ZTS, beloved. And the next company I want to give you is Horizon Therapeutics, HZNP. Give us a list of companies that are making money. Horizon P, symbol ZNP, and for drugs, treatments for various things. It is one of those companies that has treatments where there's other competition for their for the areas that they treat. So what they do is they make sure that their drugs can treat multiple ailments. They're not just one-off treatments. Now, this has a market cap of $11 billion. And HZNP is up 143% in the past 12 months. And 84% since its Q1 numbers came out 3 months ago. All of these aspects combined to make this company one of the best pharmaceutical stocks that is in the market today. HZNP Horizon Therapeutics. Members, I just submitted to you 7 pharmaceutical companies are right there. Plain view, and so many people are overlooking them, except for the uber wealthy. They're monetizing these particular companies. So many people are focusing on the company pharmaceuticals that are in the COVID-19 vaccine race. These 7 companies will get you me will have afterwards to family. P.A.I.D. in the pharmaceutical sector. Now, and for years to come, I'm talking about that United Therapeutics symbol UHR, Novo Nordisk symbol NVO, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories RDY AbbVie symbol BBV. That's ABV, AbbVie, symbol ABBD. Eli Lilly and Company, symbol LLY. Zoetis, symbol ZTS. And Horizon Therapeutics, symbol HZNP. All therapeutic companies. Therapeutic companies that have pharmaceutical companies that have treatments in the pipelines that will allow them to get P.A.I.D. for quite a bit of time. Also,